you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I just bought this used 2010 Ford F-150 Super Crew pickup truck. I bought it used, and as you buy a used car, you always want to bring a scanner tool for OBD2 diagnostics with you when you go look for a car to make sure that there are not any serious codes in the ECU, the computer for the car. This will tell you if there's any major problems and minor problems too. While I know that this car, when I bought it, I brought my cheaper version OBD2 diagnostic tool with me, and I found 3 codes. 2 were oxygen sensors and 1 was a fuel injector circuit. With my OBD2, I was able to see in each of the codes in the DTC the details of each error fault. And when I did a diagnostic on each of those faults, it showed that they pass, which means that they're not serious enough to warrant a check engine light on your dashboard. So as a result, it passed inspection, no problem. However, there were still codes there. If you had an OBD2 diagnostic tool like this, the scanner will pick up any serious codes. And if it's so serious that you don't want to fix it, you don't buy that car. So it'll probably save you a lot of headache if you bought the wrong car. So I received this in the mail. This is a lot more fancier than my regular one. This is from ANCEL, and it's the FD700. This has a nice color LCD screen, and it gets into very clear detail. Because I still have 3 DTC codes in the computer, it's not serious enough to warrant a check engine light. But let's hook this up and see what the codes are anyway. So we're here at the driver's door. We're going to unbox this really quickly, and I'm going to show you how to connect it. On every car that's modern, I believe after 2000 or so, they have an OBD2 module input. Basically, it's universal throughout all cars. This is nice. It's rubber coated around here. It has a thing here, you know, a little case where you can grab it and grip really well. Has a nice long wire, and it has a standard USB, micro USB cable. You can download the information to your laptop or your computer or your hard drive or something, or a flash drive, so that you can save the data onto something. That's very cool. So it's powered by inserting the OBD2 module into here. With this Ford, it's conveniently placed right under the steering column. That's it right there. So basically, you would just look at the shape of it and connect it. Once connected, as you can see, it's starting up and it's showing OBD2. You want to stick the key in your ignition and turn it to just on. That's it. Don't start it. And as you can see, we can just go ahead and press OK. And it enters the system and it looks at your status. As you can see, it's showing read codes. Wow, has no fault codes now. It used to have 3, now it doesn't. If you had the fault codes, I wanted to show you, but now we can't because I don't have any codes. You can erase your codes if you had any codes, right? You can data stream. You mechanics know what this thing can do. Evap system test. You can have vehicle information as well. Very useful. Lots of stuff to do here. So I wish I could show you some codes, but apparently this car is ready to go. It doesn't have any codes. But I wanted to show you all the other things it has too. This is specifically for Ford. Maybe we should try that in a bit. You have an oil reset. BMS reset. I don't know what that is. Battery. Let's check the battery. Please turn off engine. Current volt 12. Okay, start detection.
Please start engine. Wow, look at that. Tells you the current voltage is charging at 14.452 and climbing, meaning that your alternator is well. You can also go to EPB reset. Is that the brakes? Right. ETC reset. Tool setup. Let's try this Ford thing for a second. Identify the vehicle. How about that? That noise is really driving me crazy. F-Series. There we go. It's a 150 Super Crew. And it's a 5.4. Engine type? Oh, it is a 3-valve. I don't know any of those things. I'll just try that.
So as you guys saw, this ANCEL FD700 is very advanced, way more advanced than I'm capable of understanding. But if you're a mechanic or somebody who wants to be a mechanic, or you understand how to use these advanced OBD2 scanner tools, this is for you. It's very reasonably priced without buying a tablet, but it gives you most of what you need to know if you're a mechanic trying to troubleshoot problems in a car. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. And we'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Henry.
Mowers and Blowers.
Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.